Are you looking for a powerful plugin that enables your customers to easily subscribe to your newsletters while submitting a contact form? Well, look no further. Hi there, I'm from Tikweb, and today I'll showcase the amazing features of Tikweb's add-on plugin designed to boost your lead generation and subscriber base. Let's dive in. To begin, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and head to the Plugins tab on the left-hand side. In order to utilize this add-on plugin, you need to install and activate both MailPoet 3 and Contact Form 7 plugins. Under the Plugins tab, simply search for the add-on, install it, and activate it. And voila! You now have our add-on ready to go. Now, let's return to the dashboard. Under the MailPoet tab, click on the Lists tab. We will create new lists that align with your specific needs. Click on the new list and name it Newsletter. Additionally, create another list called Promotions. These lists will serve as the foundation for managing subscribers effectively. Fantastic! You now have your list set up and you can create as many as you desire. Let's move forward. Under the Contact tab, click on Add New. This is where you have complete control over the configuration. Keep in mind that you need two labels, one for your name and another for your email address. Ensure that name label contains your name and email label contains your email. Here we have the MailPoet Sign Up, Consent, Unsubscribe, and Custom Field tabs, which are all part of Tikweb's plugin. Let's explore the MailPoet Sign Up tab first. The required field checkbox ensures that every field must be filled in the submitted form. Remember the MailPoet list we created earlier? You can choose which list to highlight in the contact form and offer your customers the option to subscribe to their preferred list. You also have the option to set the newsletter checkbox to be pre-checked. Additionally, there are labels and attributes designed for developers. That covers the MailPoet Sign Up section. Now, let's test the plugin. Above the Submit button, we will insert the tags. Click on MailPoet Sign Up and check all the fields for testing purposes. Insert the tag accordingly. Next, we have MailPoet Consent and MailPoet Unsubscribe sections. Above the respective tags, you can provide your customers with consent message, including a hyperlink to your privacy page. Insert the tags accordingly. You can also include unsubscribe checkbox. Insert the corresponding tag. Finally, give this page a name. Contact Us form, save it, and you're done. Next, we need to create a page under the Pages tab. Let's name it Contact Us page. Think of this page as your website's contact page. Insert the Contact Form 7 block and select the Contact Us form that we created earlier. Publish it and let's review the page to see how it looks. Fantastic! We have successfully created our contact form. Now, let's imagine one of your customers filling out the form, including their name, email, subject, and message. If the customer wishes to sign up for the newsletter and promotions, they can do so by checking the respective checkboxes and submitting the form. Great! Now let's return to the dashboard. Click on MailPoet and then Subscribers. Here, you will find your customer's email address and name saved under the newsletter mailing list. And what if the customer wants to unsubscribe? Let's fill out the form again, this time checking the unsubscribe checkbox. Let's check it for now. As you can see, the user has been successfully unsubscribed. This is how you can generate valuable leads and manage your customer base quickly and effortlessly. Now, there's one last thing to mention, MailPoet Custom Fields. To explore this feature, go to the Forms section under the MailPoet tab. Create a new blank form. Click on the plus icon and browse all the options. Here, you will find the Custom Fields button. Fill out the necessary information and save it. Now, return to the Contact Forms section and access the custom fields. You'll find the custom field ID there. Copy it. To utilize the custom field, click on the Tell button and paste the ID inside the name field. Save it and you're good to go. Now go to the WordPress dashboard, click on MailPoet, click Subscribers, click on the user, scroll down, and there you will see the custom field data fetched from the contact form. That concludes the overview of Tikweb's add-on plugin features. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Goodbye for now.